Hello and welcome to the ISC class 11 maths tutorial. The topic is straight lines continued. Before we start, आइए आपको एक शायर की चंद लाइन सुनाता हूँ. चंद मतलब कुछ. कहानी में छोटा सा किरदार है, कहानी में छोटा सा किरदार है हमारा, मगर एक मेयार है. स्टैंडर्ड. कहानी में छोटा सा किरदार है हमारा, मगर एक मेयार है. खुदा तुझको सुनने की तौफीक दे, खुदा तुझको सुनने की तौफीक दे. मेरी खामोशी मेरा इजहार है, मेरी खामोशी मेरा इजहार है. मतलब खामोश रहकर भी मैं कुछ कह रहा हूं, समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. ओके, शायद ऐसा कहता है. पड़ोसी पड़ोसी से है बेखबर. ध्यान दीजिएगा इन लाइंस को. पड़ोसी पड़ोसी से है बेखबर, मगर सबके हाथों में अखबार है. पड़ोसी पड़ोसी से है बेखबर, मगर सबके हाथों में अखबार है. उसे मशवरों की जरूरत नहीं, उसे मशवरों की जरूरत नहीं. वो तुमसे ज्यादा समझदार है, वो तुमसे ज्यादा समझदार है. थैंक यू. ओके, नाउ इन दैट कंटिन्यूएशन, in this video, the next question is using slopes, determine which of the following sets of 3 points are collinear. There are 4 sub questions. One I am doing. 3 points are given, and we have to show that these 3 points are collinear. The points I am writing down: 5, -2, 7, 6, 0, -2. Yeah, I've written here. I'll tell you what's the meaning of collinearity. Collinear. The points, let the points be A, 5 -2, 5 and then -2, B, 7, 6, and then C, 0 -2, 0 and then -2. These are the 3 points. ABC not written, only point coordinates are given. I am calling them ABC. It will be easier for us to mention in the later part of the solution. Alright. So let A 5 -2, B 7 6, C and C 0 -2. These are the 3 points. What is the question? The question is, show that these points are collinear. There are different ways to prove it. Even in vector algebra also there is one method which is very nice. Alright, in 12th standard. In 12th standard. Alright. So, but here we are going to show that these 3 points are collinear with the help of, by finding out the slope. The question says that using slopes, determine which of the following sets of 3 points are collinear. Slope. Collinear means they are on the same line. Collinear means they are on the same line. For example, A is here, B is somewhere here, and C is somewhere here. This is called collinear. And if A is here, B is somewhere here, C is somewhere here, right? Or A is here, B is here, and C is somewhere here. That means they are not on a straight line. Collinear means being on a straight line. Alright? Fine. Okay. So we will find out the slope of 2. I will take any 2 points at a time. So let the slope of AB be M1 and let the slope of AC be M2. Alright, we'll find out M1 and M2. Let's see what we are getting. So you please write down. Let M1 be the slope of the line AB. Right? Let M1 be the slope of the line AB. let m1 be the slope of the line AB, and let m2 be the slope. Let m2 be the slope of the line AC, AB and AC, right? AB is m1 and AC, and this full AC, this is m2. Fine. Now let us find out m1 and m2 by using formula, 2-point formula, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, right? So m1 is equal to m1 is equal to. Now I'm writing directly. You please, when you do, please write down one's formula and then write down. I'm writing directly because I've already told you the formula, given you the formula. M1 is equal to AD, na? AB. Y2 minus Y1, that means 6 minus minus 2. 6 minus and minus 2. But you please write down one's formula and then you write down this step. Y2 minus Y1 upon x2 minus x1, 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. And this gives you how much? 6 plus 2, 8. 8 upon 2. 8 upon 2. And this gives you 4. So M1 we got 4. Fine. You can write down one more step here. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 and then you write down 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. Okay, fine. Now let us find out M2. Let us find out M2. So now M2 is equal to. Now M2 is equal to. M2 is what? AC. AC. So Y2 minus Y1. 5 minus 2, 0 minus 2. 5 minus 2, 0 minus 2. I think. Okay, okay. Fine. Fine. Y2 AC we are taking, no, AC. Alright. Y2 minus Y1, that means minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 and minus minus 2. So can I write down plus 2? Plus 2. But you don't, you please show the steps. Y2 minus Y1 upon x2 minus x1, 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5. And this gives you 0 upon minus 5 is equal to 0. Alright. Okay, let me write down 0 upon minus 5 and this is equal to 0. So M1 we got 4 and M2 we got 0. Slopes are not equal. Slopes are not equal means the lines are not parallel. So at least, see, at least when the points are collinear, at least their slopes must be equal. The first condition is. Second, I'll tell you, there is one more thing that we have to prove and then we'll say that therefore the points are collinear. First of all, we have to show that the slope of AB, which is M1, and the slope of AC, which is M2, they are equal. That means AB and AC, now please understand, that means AB and AC, they are parallel. If slopes are equal, that means the lines are parallel. Are you getting? Not in this case they are unequal. I'm talking about the situation, the condition when the slopes are equal. So when the slopes are equal, if suppose M1 and M2 both are equal, that means AB and AC. This is AB and this is AC. Alright. AB and AC. If the slopes are equal, that means the lines are parallel. Alright. This is one thing. Now, the second thing which is important to show that the points are collinear is, now AB and AC, they are parallel. Alright, but the point A is common. A is not here, A is here only. So if you bring A here, then the line will be like this, something like this, no? Okay. So A is here now because we are saying AB and AC and the slopes are equal. So that means the position of C, this position is not correct. You can see that they are not parallel. Can you see that AB and AC, they are not parallel? But they have to be parallel. Because why? Because we are finding out the slopes are equal. I am talking about the second situation, not in this situation. In this situation, we have to stop here only because the slopes are unequal. M1 is 4 and M2 is 0. Because slopes are not equal, therefore there is no question of talking about the points are collinear or not. Directly we will say that because slopes are not equal, therefore the points are not collinear. First thing is you find out the slope. Because slopes are not equal, therefore the lines are not parallel and hence the points are not collinear. Once again I am repeating, because the slopes of the lines AB and AC, M1 and M2, M1 is 4, M2 is 0, they are not equal, therefore the lines are not parallel. Alright, because the lines are not parallel, AB and AC, they are not parallel, therefore the points A, B and C are not collinear. This is done. Alright, now you got the answer. The points are not collinear. I am talking about the second situation when the points are collinear. Alright, so if the points are collinear, then you will see that the slopes are equal. So what will you say in that case? You will say that because the slope of AB and AC are equal, therefore AB and AC, they are parallel. Are they parallel? No, they are not parallel. So in that case, the position of C will be somewhere here. Somewhere here. C should be here somewhere. Alright, why? Because the point A is common. No, you have to start from A. So AB, then AC. AC has to be on AB. The two lines have to coincide. एक दूसरे के ऊपर ही रहेंगे ऐसे. Alright, then only they will be parallel because the point A is common. So in that case, if the slopes are equal, in that case the position of C will not be here. The position of C will be here somewhere on the line AB, extended line AB. Alright, so now we say that because the slopes of the two lines AB and AC are equal, so they are parallel. They are parallel. They are parallel, they are parallel, they are parallel, they are also parallel. If they coincide, then also they are parallel. Right? Alright, and this is because one point A is common, AB and AC. If you have AB and CD, then fine, then you can get two lines separate. Here one point is common. So if one point is common and the slopes are equal, that means the lines are parallel. So in that situation, the points will lie on the same line because one point is common. Alright, so this would be the position situation. So AB and AC, lines are parallel and one point is common. That means the 3 points are lying on the same line. The 3 points A, B and C, they lie on the same line, and it means that means the 3 points are collinear. But this question, one question I'll solve for you, but that I'll do in my next video. And that question actually, that question is, I guess, question number 3rd. In third question, if we find out the slope of the two lines, no, we'll get the same slope. So that will be this situation. Alright, so that I'll do in my next video. Okay then, thank you so much. Thanks.